In this video, I'll show you how to calculate portfolio variance and portfolio standard deviation using a different equation. In this video, we use correlation between two variables and the standard deviation of individual securities to calculate the portfolio variance and portfolio standard deviation. In my previous video, I shown you how to calculate portfolio variance and portfolio standard deviation using covariance between two variables and the variance of individual stocks. So now I show you how to calculate portfolio variance and portfolio standard deviation using correlation as well as the standard deviation of individual securities. Here are the details offered on two stocks. Stock is Hero Motors and ITC. Their expected returns are given and the standard deviation values are given here. If you observe here, these are you have a standard deviation values are here, and then the correlation value is given, correlation between two stocks, and portfolio weights are given. Let us say this has a weight A and this has a weight B. Now based on this, you need to calculate the portfolio variance and the standard deviation. So the equation that we use to calculate portfolio variance is this equals to weight square of A, then variance of A, plus weight square of B, then variance of B, plus 2 into weight of A into weight of B into correlation between A and B. As here we are given a correlation, we consider correlation here, and then standard deviation of A and standard deviation of B. So this equation up to this part is similar with the previous equation only change here is this part. Now this is a correlation of AB, standard deviation of A, standard deviation of B. This means your correlation between A and B equals to covariance of AB by standard deviation of A, standard deviation of B. So in the previous one we used the covariance. Now instead of a covariance, this time we are using the correlation of AB and standard deviation of A, standard deviation of B. So first we look at the weights of the stock. Weight is in a stock A is 0.6. So this is 0.6 power of 2 times variance of A. Standard deviation is given. So 0.12 raised to the power of 2. This is a variance. And plus 0.4 into 0.4 raised to the power of 2 into 0.06 to the power of 2 plus 2 into weight of A, that is 0.60 into 0.40, this is weight of B, into correlation of AB, this is negative correlation, minus 0.8, then standard deviation of A, that is standard deviation of Hero stock is 0.12, and then standard deviation of ITC is 0.06. Then our calculation is 0.6 raised to the power of 2 into 0.12 raised to the power of 2, then 0.4 raised to the power of 2 into 0.06 raised to the power of 2, then 2 into 0.6 into 0.4 into minus 0.8, this is a correlation value, into standard deviation of A, that is 0.12, into standard deviation of B, 0.06. So you got a minus value. Then so 0.0052 plus 0.0006 plus minus 0.0028. Variance of a portfolio equals to 0.003. Then standard deviation of a portfolio, this equals to square root of variance of portfolio. So this is 0.003. So portfolio standard deviation is 0.05, let us say 0.55. So portfolio risk is less than your two stocks risk. Say in case here your hero stock has a standard deviation of 0.12 and ITC has a standard deviation of 0.06. Whereas by combining these two securities, you can minimize your portfolio risk to the 0.055. And this happened because the correlation between these two stocks is negative or inverse correlation. Or when the two stocks have an inverse correlation, you can minimize the risk to the maximum extent. So this is how we calculate portfolio variance and the standard deviation and interpret the result. Thank you.